where today, this is not a vlog, but kind of like a vlog. No, it's basically eating stuff, and yeah, and as you can tell by the title, I will be eating Japanese biscuits. No, crackers. Yeah, and I have them here. Yeah, I emptied them in a box, so let's just go ahead and open it up. So, yep, that's how it looks. Like I don't want it to fall. Yeah, so basically you have many different colors. You have the white one, the green one, the big brown one, the red ones or orange ones, and these peas. Like, they look like wasabi balls, but no, I guess they're not. And you have the small brown ones which look like pasta, and they can feel like pasta. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying them. I didn't actually eat them before, so yeah. So let's just get into it. Okay, let's do this. Green ones up first. They taste like, I don't know what they taste like. They taste like crackers. They are crackers. It's just weird. It's weird but good in a way. I'm guessing they all have different tastes. Like, let's just go ahead and try the white one. The green and white kind of look the same. That definitely has a different taste. Yeah. I would say a better taste. Oh, there's also a pink one. Ah, didn't see that. Pink one it is. I do not like the pink ones. I guess they're kind of good. So I like the first two ones, except the third one, I don't fancy so much. So this is the big brown one. Okay, this tastes better than all of the ones which I've tried. I think the big brown ones are the best which I've tried. But now it's the small brown ones. Well, I guess you could say the big one and the small brown ones are the same, except the small ones are a bit more sweeter. They're not too sweet, they're a bit even salty a bit. Yeah, but let's just go ahead and get the green one, the small piece. Okay. I have to go with the green ones, the small ones. Let's take out the red one. Oh, red one's spicy. Red one's really spicy. I need to get water. Okay, so it looks like there's a really dark brown one. Are there any more really dark brown ones? No, so this is the brown one, I think. That. That tastes like caramel a bit. Oh. It tastes like a bad caramel. I'll just put this here. No, I'll put it there. Yeah. So, yeah. They taste good, I could say. Yeah, they taste good. And so, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And thanks guys for watching. This will be a short video kinda. And if you want to make some more of these, like trying out new type of food and stuff like that, then be sure to like, and bye.